Today I'm going to make the kinasun, the shells. So let's do it. Lagyan ko siya ng I put the wheatloaf. Malata yung I put chili. And here it's starting to be cold here. And then I put tomato. What is that? Dumo siya kadal utakan sinuwan sumbar no comer. Isnuwan sumbar comer o bariya chocolada, okay? Isanuwan sumbar comer. Makalimot ko sa lingguay nato. Yan, makita ba nyo? Yan. I-fry ko muna siya, ha? Suotin mo na yan, Mergo. I put the garlic.
Margo!
Ha?
Margo!
I put the ginger, onions, and chili. Mergo! It's look like a salsa. When I make this one, it look like a salsa. You can see? You can see? So, yes, take a mada. Oh my God. I bought this one at the Coop's SvalBard boutique. First time I bought this here in this place, in this island. First time. So just wait. Kinasun. The first time I make this one here in this island, kinasun. I fried the chicken wings. Chicken wings. Look at chicken wings. Now it's already cooked. Ready to mukbang. Kinasun or Kalaykay or shells or I don't know what's the name. Ready to mukbang. Mga suki, mga higala, mga subscriber, friends on the air, ready to mukbang. Let's eat. Thank you so much to all my subscribers. Thank you so much. I will show you how to very simple chicken wings. Only pepper and salt, and that's it. It's time to mukbang chicken wings. Magbuat ko kuan. I make a lot of tomato and I put a lot of chili. And I put the soy sauce to my sauce of my chicken because I am Filipino. I am Filipino. I am Filipino. I am Filipino. I make the tomato. I put tomato and onions and soy sauce. And of course, I put the chili. Karon magamit na kayo sticker. Hindi ko na ko magamit yung kwan eh. So, tapos. Nago kayo na eh. Dapa akong fried chicken kaya akong hiwa-hiwaan siya ba. I slice a little bit so that's why my chicken wings is very flat and this is my technique. It's very flat siya. This is the form of chicken wings, but when I fry this one, I can show you. I slice this one like this. I cut a little. I cut a little here. You can see here. It's very hard. I cut this a little bit here. You can look at here. A little bit. I cut here. A little bit. Like this. So that's why the result of my chicken wings like this. So that's why I use this one. When I make this one, the blood is coming out. Yeah, no, I mean is when I fry this one, the blood is coming out here. This is the way how to fry the chicken wings. This is my mukbang, mukbang pa more. Thank you to all my subscribers. Thank you so much. Thank you. Go. So, muna siyang resulta. This is the result of the chicken wings. So, flat siya. Diba? And crispy. Very easy. Ayan. Very flat chicken wings. So, dili to siyang katubitang klase. You can see the when we fry that chicken wings, nagaano siya, naga-Z sa forma. Look at G. So, dili siya nagano, not, diba? Hindi siya nagano, nagatayo, nagatindog. So, flat siya na chicken wings pagka-prito na ako. Now, it's ready to mukbang. Thank you so much once again.
Ako tidak magabi. Wala na ako yun. Check ko na. Pagdating niya na.
Let's eat. Spicy.
Halang, please, halang. Ano ka, halang?
Ito marite, ma'am to lang yung gano.
Ano mo ito sa'yo? Ano na, SvalBard na rin, SvalBard. Gabiin na? Yun lang ikaw, sige po gano'n.
Mga untan yung tanan. Mga unta.
Oo na ako ano.
Purot. Mga untan yung tanan. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for watching my mukbang. Thank you so much for watching my mukbang again.